Welcome to our online training on generative AI, a revolutionary field in artificial intelligence. Generative AI creates new content like text, images, audio, video, and code. Unlike traditional AI, it learns patterns from large datasets to produce original outputs in response to user prompts. Generative AI is a type of AI that creates new content. The benefits of AI include automating tasks like writing and coding, enabling personalized responses, accelerating product development, and minimizing manual work. Learning generative AI is essential as it is transforming industries. It enables faster content creation, smarter decision-making, and opens doors to high-growth career opportunities in the rapidly changing tech landscape. The future of generative AI is set to transform every major industry. It will continue to enhance productivity and innovation, from automated content creation to personalized education and healthcare solutions. In conclusion, generative AI is redefining how we create, work, and innovate. Embracing this technology is a critical skill for future-ready professionals to stay competitive and unlock new career opportunities. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please contact us at +919 billion 951 million 609,609 or visit our website at www.hopeinfotech.com.